Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change passenger name on Air Arabia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change passenger name on Air Arabia. So first of all, you need to go to your bookings. So to go to your bookings, you need to go and click on your profile. So basically you need to go and log into your profile to be going there. So we're on Air Arabia, as you can see, and here you can of course go and get flights and all of those things. But of course you need to log in to of course get to see what your flights are and where your flights of course are. We have, as you can see, manage, where you can check flight status, etc., and all of those things, cancel flights, etc. But we need to go and click on here if we want to go and, as you know, change passenger name. We'll need to go directly to your flight. So as you can see, we can go to modify flight here, and then here you need to go and put in your booking reference, the contact person last name, and departure date. Then your flight will be found here, and when you find your flight, there you can change your name. You cannot, unfortunately, of course, you have to, of course, I cannot unfortunately help you. I mean, I cannot unfortunately show you this because I don't have a flight, but be sure that when you go here, you will see everything. You just need to then pay the applicable name change fee and ferry difference if required. And once the request is proceed, review the updated booking details and make sure the name matches the passenger's passport exactly. Some important things: name change are generally allowed up to 24 hours before departure, so keep that in mind also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.